Guys, Natalia here with Mom's Dish, and today something super exciting is happening. We reached 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. Thanks to my Instagram family, thanks to all the friends and family who's supporting us, and we're doing a giveaway. And the giveaway is Boost cutting board. As you can see, we have quite a few of them. I have this little one that I use all the time. We have a little smaller one, and there's two giant ones. The giveaway is, hold on, let me move those out of the way. They're pretty sturdy. They're made out of like nice blocks of wood. We're giving away this huge cutting board. I love it so much. You'll see it in all of our videos. So this is what you're gonna get. So University of Chicago did a study on this board, and it has antimicrobial surfaces. We will link to that video down below. That way you can see a little more details. I talk about it, but it is so sturdy. I love using it. It's pretty much hardcore. It's big surface. What's not to love, right? So one of you will win this cutting board, and here's how you can do it. To enter the giveaway, we want you to subscribe to the channel, join the family, because we're gonna have a lot of fun here. We're gonna be releasing videos every single week. And the second thing, just leave a comment under one of the videos. We want to hear from you. We really want to know what you like, which recipes were your favorites, and why. So let us know in the comments, and good luck. I am so excited that you guys will get a chance to get this cutting board because it's amazing. We love it so much, and have a wonderful day.